This is our handheld fiber marking machine. Power is 30 watts. This is the integrated host. It's the touch screen. This is the holding laser head. These are the optional position stripe. This is the spare parts of charger, and the entire machine is 8 kilograms. This is the power button. This is the U-dig. Let's set it in. Choose the grave. Choose here USB. Then choose the pattern format, DXF, PLT, and others. And today we choose this, PLT. And choose the logo you want to mark today. And this is the fill in button. And then click the enable field, and then this is the line space. Change the data, then click OK. And this is the fill line angle. Choose the stripe 90, then click close. The maximum supported working area is 100 by 100 millimeter. The positioning stripe can be flexibly replaced as needed when processing objects of different sizes. And for the different materials and final effect, we can also adjust the speed and power rate to realize marking effects. Please spend some time to test it. It can bring you magical moment. Then, here we go.